Yeah, man. Come off a hill, you see it? Suitcase pan head, you know what thing said? Down. Sun powerful. Yeah, man, right now we are going to head for the express bus. Then I watch here, yes. And you know, I say, it will go carry you from Ocho straight to the airport, you see it? So, let's see what's popping. I don't know if me are going to a vlog on the we are going or I don't know. But when we reach at the bus, I'm surely I go see that. Though? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We reach I park I don't know where them park the bus I think don't move it, in a lock. Cardboard come out. Yeah, we're at the Nexus place. Cause like we are
Then put them in that, and then when you get remember to transfer them.
yeah, man. No that watch here now, you see it? Camera short dark. No sir, bust that. Yeah, man, I take it to Ochira. I move up from Ochira, yes, to Montego Bay at the airport. Down. See it? Yeah, man. See I'm full of room and the rest of the army about them and something back there, so you see it? But you know, say I'm so rocky. I know it's traveling this year now for sunrise, you see it? From anyone at the airport where I come, a bus like this, I go charge you like $30 US to come at Ochira, you see it? And if me have to go rent a car to come for you, that will cost you like $8 US, $9 US. But the things where you can do in the rent car, you can't do it in this. You see it? You can smoke your ganja and vibes in the rent car. You can't do it in this. But you're safe in this, you see it? So, anything. You see it? Actually, guess together for 1 month. Yeah, you know, say she push out there now. You can see a lot of people. A lot of people there load up and sitting 5 minutes after 8 in the morning. Yeah, man. July 2019. 9th. Yeah, man. People are driving, all of them something. The people are pack up and thing. That's what we have to do. See? Yeah, Jai, see that she a jar the bag. Actually with a Margaritaville now, you see? So, through 5 minutes past 8 and you can't board the express bus till 8:30 AM. You know what to pray. Look some ganja we smoke. You see that you got deal with that now. Some weird. Yeah, man, nice, huh? Cool, pretty look water. Ocean 11. See water. Nice, pretty beach. Yeah. Sweet Jamaica. You gotta tune in. You gotta check out Sunrise Boss. Find me on Instagram at Jamaican Sunrise TV. Next bad channel we are going with the whole heap of thing. Next page, you don't know a Sunrise Wade. So make sure you check out that. You see it? Right now, I'm just there out on the beach. Nice, clean beach, though. Now, watch your eyes. Margaritaville. Yeah, actually, she wait for the next first bus. Yeah. And I know me have service. I could can give her 2 little minute make she go live. And it's safe for me thing there. Yeah, man, I can do that.